Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import fonts into CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this random font and I'm just going to select download, and I'm going to start my download and I'm going to open the folder. Then I'm going to select it, and you are going to just select either this one or this one. I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to select install. And I'm just going to press close, and I'm going to actually just close CapCut for now. It does take longer because I just installed a font. So I just closed CapCut and I'm just going to open CapCut again. So select CapCut and open it again. It does take like a few minutes to start though, because again I have just installed a font, as you can see. I'm just going to wait for it to start. Okay, there you go. Then I'm going to open up a project. The font is called Hug Love, so you do have to remember the font that you downloaded. Just going to open up CapCut. Go to text, go to default text, and I'm just going to type in love. And then I'm going to go to font. Just like press the arrow. You are going to then scroll down until you find a system font. So this one is still like the fonts that you have on your computer. So system font, and it's going to be up here. As you can see, the font that I saved is here. And that is basically it, really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!